Actually, I am Ashok Kumar Pandey, principal of Tirupati Public School. Now I am going to explain each and everything of my school, special features and all the activities which is going to done by our students as well as our teachers. Now first you see, this is guard room. Actually, we are using when any parents are coming in our school, first we take their introduction, they write their name, address and contact number, and for which purpose they come in our school. First they mention their whole information on the register, then God will give them permission to enter in the office. Now please come. Actually, these are the plantation and it is done by our house members students. Different type of, especially 4 house members are doing our work like Kalam House, Vivekanand House, Radha Krishnan House and Abdul Kalam House. Now this is our notice board and it's our physics lab also. Actually on the notice board we paste all the information, which information I have to deliver to the guardians. Suppose we are going to take any exam, then we are pasting the roll number as per our sitting plan on the notice board. Students first they come in school premises, they see their roll number, their classroom, then they enter in our school. Now see, actually this way go to girls washroom and for safe drinking water for them. Because girls washroom, actually we have constructed washroom, boys and girls for separate, for their safety, for their all the good activities. Actually, when we enter in the girls toilet, we see the hand wash and clean girls toilet are also available. And ladies teacher are also go in because there are 2 separate toilets which are made for the ladies teacher also. Actually, this is the safe drinking water and we have given the facilities because on time to time we make it clean. Our peon and other staff members just go on the terrace to make it clean, for which students can get the fresh water for drinking also. Please come. Now you can see these are the tabs. Students when they come, they stand in queue one by one. They are taking the water and being very happy because we are giving fresh water to them. Please, this is girls toilet. After completing girls toilet, they are also using hand wash because we are giving the more importance on cleanliness also. Because students, if they are being happy, they are trying to away from the illness. It's important to give them right information for cleaning in their life. What is the importance of cleanliness in their life also? Let's see. This is our first ground floor, and on the ground floor, this is our physics lab. Of the girls, you will see that is very clean because our maid servant also using the phenyl and other things for make it properly clean. Now you can see one by one all the toilet rooms. It's very clean, very hygienic for the girls. Now you see, and also now you see all the toilet rooms are very clean. Okay, and this is toilet room, and to have made for separate ladies washroom. That is hand video. Please come. Let's come. Now I'm going to show our youth playground where our students are playing different types of games like volleyball, badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, like this. Because our so many students are playing kho-kho, kabaddi, volleyball, and badminton are very good. They know how to play because our physical teachers has given a very good knowledge and good instruction to them also. He also play a different type of games with them for make them inspired regarding their game also. Now, you see, firstly, they decorate our school by different colors of flowers. Actually, this is our park. When students, small students, they come in our park and play some type of games, they get so many enjoy. Because just like our physics system also using by us to give a proper knowledge to our smart students as well as big students. Now please come. Actually, as you know, if nature is good, then students can learn very well in short periods. That's why we have made over all the schools by different type of color flowers, different type of plants by which we have decorated. Then students come and see, they become very happy. They get so many joy to learn it also. Actually, these toys, especially for the little students. Now you see, this diagram has made by our girls. She has shown her patience, she has shown her virtue to show this diagram. Now you see, each and every plants, each and every flowers are in proper position, are in good shape. Now you see, actually it's just like beautiful nature. When students come and see on the ground, they feel that we are hotly attached with the nature, with the beautiful nature. Yes. Our park is also covered with the grass. That grass is so soft, so cute. Students come and sit on the grass, they become very happy. At least I would like to say, when students reach in our park, they become very happy because they are hot attached direct with the nature, and they think the importance of nature in their life. Because sometimes we see on different places the students do not care about the nature, just they pluck the flower and throw on the road. But we have given so many information, so many knowledge, so many awareness to our students for being aware regarding the nature. That's why they have made and cleared the nature, and also they just move here and there. They played on the card and other toys for making the happiness in their life. Please.
So stand करो. Stand.
Parking.
Okay, now see, it's our parking. Actually, these are our school vehicles. These are our school buses. We use these buses to receiving the students from their house, because the students are coming from different places, and many girls are coming from different places, and they are coming from away distance from the school, and it's not easy for them to reach in school at proper time. So we have given the facilities of buses also, and our buses move in different places like Badagaon, like Bashni, like Sadhuganj, like Tuar Bazaar, and so many distance. Especially we covered at least 10 to 15 kilometer range around our school. We receive the students from their house with very safety, because safetyness is very important. It's a very major responsibility to us. When students feel healthy, feel happy, and be healthy in our school, then they can learn, they can protect themselves, and they can be happy very well. That's why. Now you can see the nameplate of our school also. And as per the CBSE, all the buses are in yellow color. Yes. Now you can see a huge ground of our school. So now you see it's teachers' vehicles parking. Teachers stand their bike in a proper way, because we are the modules of the students. If we put our bike in a proper way, then students learn it and put their bicycle in a proper way. That's why now you can see all the teachers put their bicycle in a proper way, by which students also can put their cycles, either boys or girls, in a proper way. Now you see, actually now you can see it's also park for little students, and now you see a huge ground for bigger students. You can see Kho-Kho, you can see a ground of volleyball, you can see a ground of badminton, and also you can see the ground of kabaddi. Actually, our students, when they come to play the volleyball, they win different types of games, different type of matches. They go in another school for competition and they win so many cup also, because our physical teacher has given a proper knowledge to them. First of all, they improve their interest regarding their hobbies. As per their hobby, we make them perfect to play any game, either volleyball, badminton, Kho-Kho, or kabaddi also. Please come and see. Now you see it's open ground. Open ground, and students come and see. Now you see also, it's also features of park. Little students during lunch they come on the ground and play with jhula, sliding, seesaw and other. Okay.
सर वो बाउंड्री वॉल का हाइट और मतलब कि सेफ्टी है बच्चों के लिए और तो 9 फीट है 9 फीट तो होगा 9 फीट बताइएगा 9 फीट अप्रॉक्स 9 फीट
Now, now you see the height of our buildings, our boundary. It's around 9 feet height because a maximum students are around 5 to 6 feet height. Actually, we have made a proper height of this boundary for safety of our students, so that no one student can cross and outside, no one students can come from outside in our school. That's why we have covered our whole ground by 9 feet height boundary. It's very good, very safety for our students, either small or big, who are studying in 9th or 10th standards classes. Come and see. It's our boundary around 9 feet height. It's very good by safety point of sense of the students. All the students, when they enter in our school, they are being safe from outside. No one can enter in our school without our permission, and no one can go outside without our permission. Now you also can see our whole ground are covered by 9 feet height boundary. And, as you know, 9 feet height is not for less; it's proper height for the students. Now you see, it's also pole or kho-kho. It's a ground of kho-kho. Now you see, it's a ground of kho-kho. Our girls are also getting the enjoy when they come on the ground for playing the kho-kho. Yes. And also you can see, it's a ground of volleyball. Our students, our boys are playing volleyball very good.
आपको सर बताइए कि कहीं से मतलब ओपन नहीं है बाउंड्री वॉल मतलब कहीं से ओपन नहीं है केवल विदाउट मेन गेट के अलावा कोई मतलब
Three. No one can go outside, no one can come in the school without gate. If anyone wants to come in our school, first they have taken the permission to us. When we have given permission to them, then they can enter in our school. Otherwise, it is not necessary, it's not confirmed that anyone can enter in our school, because we have made our building for safety point of sense to our students. And also you can see, our students also can get the enjoy of different types of games like kho-kho, volleyball, badminton and kabaddi also. It's a proper place for getting the. We also held sports day, and all the students have divided in 4 houses, like Kalam House, like Vivekanand House, like Badminton court. Actually, our whole students have divided in 4 house. Why we have divided in 4 house? Because we are also increasing the managerial skill among our students. Actually, our 4 houses means just like Kalam House, Radhakrishnan House, Aryabhat House, and Vivekanand House. Actually, when we held our sports day, or as per our time schedule, we give one period for each and every week for each and every class. Because when students come on the ground, they take for playing instrument and come on proper knowledge to them how to play volleyball. Especially we held this game between house-wise. Just suppose today I have selected 2 house, Kalam House and Vivekanand House. Okay, and Kalam House, Vivekanand House captain will come for the toss and start their match. The rest of the students sit around the game for cheer up them. And our physical teacher also sitting on the chair and see all the games in a proper way. Sometimes physical teacher come and stand beside the pole and see just like a referee. He also doing the act like a referee also. Our volleyball players, when they become ready to play the volleyball, they use their whole effort, their whole stamina to win this match. Because competition is very important among all students. Either they are going to play on the ground or they are going to appear in any competitive exam. We also give them proper information to win the match, but not having a jealousy feeling. We also aware them to having a friendship feeling, but during the match period, they don't have a friendship. It's basically they are feeling a competitors for each other. And finally, they win, they play and they win the match. Now you see, our Bhatt girls and our Kalam girls play Kho-Kho very good. From infancy, when they were studying in class 4, 5, 6, then we treat them properly. How to play, how to win the Kho-Kho match, because it's a so much difficult match than others. And basically we can see students don't have a proper interest regarding this match. But as per the rural areas, we give them proper knowledge to our girls to how they can be safe, because during this match, they run very fastly. They run very fastly to touch another competitors, and also they run very fastly to put them safe. That's why, and our at least the senior section girls play Kho-Kho very good, because during sports day, we also have given so many prize to them to encourage their sequence, to encourage their future, to encourage their interest, to encourage their hobbies. Because if girls do not play any game, really, they can be upset by their mental level. If they play any physical game, they can be strong by physical and mental level. As you know, at their home, they don't have a proper time. They don't have a proper space to play any game. And finally, their interest can be reduced and they cannot be developed. Then we see the hobbies of the girls. If they are interested to play, they are interested to play the Kho-Kho on the ground. Now, out of our 4 houses, basically our Aryabhat house and Vivekanand house students play Kabaddi very good. They are very strong and they have a very good interest regarding their games. Because when they come to play the Kabaddi, just they want to show their Kabaddi like a Kabaddi Pro, because they watching the television and basically they watching Kabaddi Pro in the television. To see that match, they are being very interested to play this game on the ground. And when they come with the help of physical teacher also firstly shake their hands to each and every student, then they become ready. Second part for our little students. After getting the lunch in lunch period, and under the control of their class teacher, they come on the ground and play on sliding, on chula and seesaw and other games. When our little students come on the ground to play different type of games, so we also pay how we can them protect. For their protection, we also arrange their class teacher as well as our 2 man-made also standing to keep them protect. and they swing, they slide, they are getting the benefit of seesaw. Now they become very happy. And after doing this exercise again, they are being very happy. Their interest also can be refreshed. Again, they are going in their classroom and start their study. Finally, Montessori system, why I am adopting in my school, to improve the interest among our students during their study. Because physical and mental, if my students are fit by both levels, then their future can be secured and they can improve, they can popular the name and fame of our country, our school, our family, and so on. Now please. You can see it's our entry point. From this area, our students reach their classroom, which is already allotted to them. Now you can see. Now please come and see our classroom and other labs. Actually, this is the area from where our school students and teachers enter in their classrooms that is already allotted. Because we have seen the timetable on their WhatsApp also and on their app also, which is already used by us for online classes and other activities. Now you also can see its podium when we held any special activities, any function, sports day and other occasions. We also give the information to standing behind the podium also. Means whatever we have in our school, we use each and everything to encourage our school level, to encourage our teachers level, to encourage our students level. Because as we know, we are the modules of our students. As we show, students will learn and do the react in their life in the future. So we can clearly study the importance of all the things in their life and show all the varieties, all the things in a proper way, in a proper manner. Now let's come and see. Now it's a staff room, toilet, and also it's a way to go physics lab.
ऊपर जो लिखा है सर
Now you can see your work was for you. Actually, by this information, by this instruction, by this slogan, we can give a positive morality, positive knowledge to the students, to having a faith on the school, to having a faith on the positive activities. That's why on different places in our school, we have given so many slogans, we have given so many positive thoughts by which our students can learn. As they enter in our school, earlier they can learn and react in their life, in their future, to encourage. And also, we are trying to make them perfect and expert also if their parents are not deserving to perform that work, that positive activities. Our students also make them learn how to do that activities in a proper way. Means in a proper manner, we are trying to give all the information, all the facilities to our students. Now you can see, please, let's come and see. It's our class 9th G room. Actually, our class 9 has two sections, 9th P and 9th G. It's our safe drinking water for the boys. Already I have told you that we have given the facilities for boys and girls separately. Actually, this connection is directly linked with the RO, and RO is attached on the top of the school, from where it comes and students are getting the fresh water. Because as we know that if water is not good, water is not fresh, the students can be infected by different kind of disease like diarrhea, cholera, and so many diseases. To keep them protect, we have given the facilities of RO also, or you can see around 11 taps are presenting here, for which students cannot making the gathering here, they can take the water fresh and being happy, and also within time they can reach in our school, in their class for getting the proper knowledge. Because if we have given the less facilities of drinking water, the students will come and make the gathering here, and by which they can waste their time also. That's why we are trying to save their time. So we have given the proper facilities of safe drinking water by using the RO, which is attached direct and put on the top of the ends. Now you can see. Now you can see it's safe drinking water. And already I have shown safe drinking water for the boys. Now you can come and see 2 hand wash are presenting here, so that students cannot make a crowd in wash toilet room. You can see one by one all the toilet are very clean because our management are doing very hard work to make it clean. They are using phenyl, bleaching and other materials to put it clean. You also can see it's a actually, this pot is used for disabled students. Students who cannot sit on their leg at the time of washroom, they can use this pot because different type of students come in our school. As per the natural activities, we have given the facilities of this compound also. Now you see, one by one, all washroom pot, very neat and clean, very hygienic for the students, because if it is dirty, then also very dangerous also to sit on the pot and cut to the students can be infected by different kind of diseases. So we also check all the things, all the explain with the help of this book to the students, and also students can see the way to go on first floor. Actually, when our students get down, slowly, now you see, when our students get down from the stair, our teachers standing at different places to protect them. This way it goes to maths lab, sport room and music room. So please come and see. It's room, class 8th room. 8 Please come. You also can see the fire cylinder on first floor also. Means on everywhere, on every ground, we arrange the fire cylinder to keep our students safe. Please come and see maths lab. It's a maths lab, a very cozy, very fair room for the students' point of view. Actually, when students enter in maths lab, they see all the things by practical with the help of my maths lab teacher. Please come and see. Now you can see different types of triangles, circles, squares, and all the equipments, apparatus which are very important for students' point of science. I have given the facilities to them. Students come and see. First they read in books, second they come and see. Just suppose I want to show circle. So after showing this figure with the help of my teacher, students can set up their mind. Now this is circle. Now you can see triangle. Means everything which we give them knowledge by the books, we also give all the knowledge through the practical, like different shapes. You also can see it's a shape of rectangle. Now you also can see means all the scale, all the measurement which can grow the information of the students for maths, by which the interest can be developed and they interact with the maths properly. That's why. Now this come and see, and the blocks and the circles which are on many shapes, like circle 180 degree, 360 degree, 45 degree, and others. You also can see abacus. We can give the information to the students by abacus method, by which they can concentrate their mind on maths, and that is very useful for them for their life. You also can see we have decorated our math lab by data picture graphs, patterns, angles, place value, mensuration, geometry, shape, fractions, profit loss, number system, rational number, etc. By which students can frame the ideas in their brain. When they see these figures on the book, just they say, wow, it's a figure of angles, it's a figure of quadrilateral, it's a figure of parallelogram, it's a figure of circle, it's a figure of rectangles. Means by this process we can increase the knowledge of our students, and also it helps us to improve their interest regarding maths. Now please come and see in the classroom. Sports room. Actually our students who are participating in indoor games, they come in and play different types of games like carrom, badminton, chess, ludo, skating also. As per their interest, we give them proper information to play. Because when they become tired after studying, continuously studying, then they come in this class just like they are getting a refreshment and being happy. Again they concentrate their mind on study and being continued. Means by this we also can improve their interest for indoor games. As we know, chess, Viswanathan Anand became the famous chess player of India. Actually, from childhood, he wanted to know how to play. To improve his interest, he became just like we have given so many inspirational figures to the students, so many inspirational personality to the students to learn, to be like them, learn something from them. As per hobbies of the students, we give them expert, we try to give a right platform for growing their future. Now please come and see in the classroom. Now, you can see it's our music room. Please come and see our music room. Actually, music is our refreshment. By the music, we can be refreshed always. Our music teacher, Mr. Gyan, he always give a proper knowledge. Please come and see. Actually, I have given a two-way for students. If sometimes if they become ill, they are not feeling better, then we can arrange the first aid facilities for them. After that, we just take a consult to the doctors and call him. Then we also call their parents to inform all the happening. So, if suppose our any child, any girl are required, be unhealthy, we just sit, we lay on the bed and being happy for some time. Then again, after getting the proper treatment, again they become strong, or they become fine, feeling better, just they go and join their class. So by the wellness room, we also interact with the students, because if they know how to use first aid box, just suppose if they are present at their home and by anything bleeding is going to start, just they also can take the primary cure from their house, because we also give the proper knowledge of first aid box to the students on time to time, how they can use, they can use the band, they can use the ointment on the wound, they can feel better. And by this wellness room, we can also give a private treatment to the students. Now please come and see. Classes, my whole school, my whole premises are under the cover of CCTV camera. Means by the office, we can observe to the students their activities and observe and also check the activities of our teachers. Please, let's come and see. Please come. You can see this figure. All the figures has made by our teachers, our students. You also can see air cylinder. Please come. Now please, let's come and see what music room. Music means which can be refreshed to the students when students feel tired after studying, continuously studying in the classroom. I have allotted one period every day for each and every class. Students, they come and sit in a proper way and learn how to play with harmonium, how to play with tabla, how to play with guitar, means all the things as per their hobbies. We are trying to give them a proper infrastructure. But you can also see it's our music box, means which is not important, we just put in the box. Because safety and protectiveness and cleanness are also very important for everything. Here's our music teacher, Mr. Gyan. Now you can see he is playing with the harmonium and giving a proper sound of sargam, sarigama. also can see how he used the ruler. Please, sir. Now, please. He is a very good music teacher, very good music master. With the help of this instrument every day. Our music teacher has given a proper knowledge to the students, because if our morning assembly is good and students have feel with enthusiasm, then they are trying to sum up their things in a very excellent way. That's why, sir. Please come. That's the very nice. Now let's move on activity room and chemistry lab, please. Actually, this is our class first room. Now you see, it's very cozy and good room for students level. You also can see our height of the tables. It is just appropriate according to age of the students, according to height of the students. When students come, read under the affection of the teachers, because class first friends are around 5 and 5.5 years old. So our teacher has given a proper knowledge to them, and every day they give it. When our school opened, then our teacher give a proper affection to the students, and also they can interact with the students in a proper way. You also can see our primary teachers are also well trained. Proper lighting, proper fans, and proper space for the students. One more thing I would like to say, actually our teachers also take the lunch with the students. When students have taken the lunch, after break, our teachers take the lunch. First they open the lunch box of each and every students. They also see what they have brought in school today. If our teachers brought any junk food which is not good for their health, our teachers give them instruction, please don't bring it. And also inform their guardians, inform their parents, please don't send junk food as any food to the students, by which students will not feel better. Means everything which can be encourage the level of our students, our teachers have attention on that. Because the first thing is to all-round development of our all students, either from primary level or from junior section or senior section levels. Please come and all the rooms are cozy and cross-ventilated from both sides. The students are feeling better when they enter in the classroom. They read properly, and teachers are paying more attention on them. They are also getting the fresh air from the nature, and also getting proper air from the fan. Before starting the class, our teacher first mentioned on the date, total students, ready students, absent students, number of that particular class which is going to be run by him. They also mentioned on the board, then they start. Before starting the class, one more thing, they also motivate to the students every day. At least 3 to 5 minutes every day. They tell a story of any great personality. They tell a story of any good person by which students can be inspired and try to be like them. Means all the things that is depend on one or round development. It's our first motto. So please, let's come and see at the classroom. This height, everything are arranged in a proper way. Our first floor corridors are also covered with the CCTV camera. Please come. Now, you can see it's a class 4 room. It's a class of 4. Let's come and see our activity room, please. Actually, all the activities are being done by our students. Everything are made by themselves. Please. Now you can see it's our activity room. Every flower pot, it's missile, save the girls, everything are made by them. Now you can see it's our activity. You can also see the circle, actually our little students seat around this circle, because when they see it, they can share their experience, their feelings with each other. Actually they are around class 1, 2 or 3 class students, but we are trying to give them coordination, feelings from childhood stage. So we invite them to come in this activity room and see all the things. They also visit all the flower pots and other activities by which they can try to make such type of new activities like that. You also can see our missile room, it's made by our class students who is studying in class 4. He made it. Let's come and see. Out of this lab, already I have arranged one fire bottle. Fire tank is already present here. Now, let's come and see this chemistry lab. It's a fabulous, marvelous, outstanding chemistry lab. Our teachers are giving a proper knowledge by theoretical process, and after that, they carry all the students in chemistry lab to show sulfuric acid, nitric acid and other things, dilute or concentrate. They also react doing some new experiment by which they can learn and be a proper scientist in future. Now you can also see it's a chemistry register, stock register of chemistry. Now you can see every day our teacher make a proper record how many bottles we have, how many content we have, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and other things which are required for our students we have. So everything is recorded in this register. You can see. You also can see our chemistry lab are also covered with the important chart, important graphs. Just like preparation of ammonia, sulfuric acid, balances of elements, petroleum, manufactures of cement and cement plants, composition of water, preparation of nitrogens, chemical bonding, and so on. By the practical method, students can learn anything very easily. I also have taken facilities of whiteboard in chemistry lab because when any students feel any trouble during experiment, they can ask the teacher. The teacher will explain on the board in a proper way and students will learn it. Before doing the experiment by the students, teacher will do the experiment and show. And students will try to do it. You also can see this apparatus for H2S gas. Means everything which are very important for student point of sense, we have arranged in chemistry lab, because maybe some of them want to become a chemist in future. So as per their hobbies, they can decide and do it better. It's a fabulous chemistry lab. Almira for chemistry lab, which is spare for us. We just put in Almira, and when we feel a requirement, then we take and use it. Okay, by which students can learn the properties of elements and also know atomic number and atomic weight of the elements. I have also arranged organic chemistry on the chart, by which students can learn about alkane, alkenes and alkyne also. Means everything are related with the syllabus of our students, which they learn by the classroom as a theoretical portion. After that, they can come in the classroom under the control of the chemistry lab assistant and do the practical in a proper way, do the experiment in a proper way. Okay, now let's come and see in the classroom. In chemistry lab also. Means when our students come in the chemistry lab and they do any practical chemical experiment, we can also paint keenly attention on them from our office. Maybe someone can spread any injurious chemicals upon anyone. How can we stop it? How can we do the same of our students? Okay, please come. Please, let's come and move on second floor, where we can see our library, we can see our all the empathy rooms, and also we can see our biology lab. Please come and see. Please. It's way to second floor. Please stop. It's the way to our library and biology lab. Please, let's come and see our library. Please. Now you can see a huge quantity of books are available here, which is related with our subject like environment, science and technology, Hindi or poems, Hindi environment or science. Now you can see NCERT, science technology books, biographics, computer technology, English storybook, moral values. It's a mirror of maths, English storybook. You see, it's a mirror of general study books, English story books, science technology books, maths, moral values. And you also can see our space, which is good for students level. Because when students come and see in library, they don't talk to each other. They come and start their books for studying only. We have a proper place and it's very silent place for the students, because I have allotted one period for every class every day to come in library to enrich their knowledge. If they want to study their subject books, they can take from the librarian and see. Otherwise, they want to see any story book for being rephrased, they also can mention their name on the register and take the book from the librarian. Now you can see. Please go. It's teacher's book register. If teacher require any books, they can take the book. First they will mention their name. Now you can see it's signature of the teachers who has taken the books already from the library. Now you can see, because it's our rule of our school, if you are going to take any class, one day before you will prepare that particular topic, then you will go in the class to explain. It's students register. Now you can see many students have taken the book from the library for study, for enrich their knowledge. Librarians have mentioned their names in a proper way. It's number, date, number book, subject, student's name, student's signature, date, and signature of librarian. Means all the columns are filled by the librarian in a proper way. You also can see it's assistant register, it's book records. Now you can see
total number book.
You can see the numbers. You can see the numbers, author's name, title, and place and publisher. And all the things, all the data are recorded in our register, by which we can take our books easily from the Almirah and show to the students, give to the students, give to the teachers easily. You also can, we have more than 2500 books. More than 2500 books in our library. More than 2500. For one time, around 35 to 40 students can come, sit together to keep a proper distance among them and take the book from the library, maintain the register by librarian, and enrich their knowledge easily. That's why I have given the facilities of library to the students for all, for primary as well as junior or senior levels also. Please come. It's an empathy room when we can get the affiliation of class 11th and 12th after getting the upgradement of our school. Then we have a proper empathy room to start our class in a proper way. We can get the admission of the students and give them a proper knowledge. You also can see our another empathy room, please. Now you can see our another empathy room. Please come and see our another empathy room. Let's come and see our biology lab. You also can see out of the gate of biology lab, I arranged one fire tank here for student protection. Let's come and see our biology lab. Now you can see our outstanding biology lab. You can see all the things which are required for the students' level. We give them proper knowledge. Let's come and see biology lab. Please come. No. It's outstanding biology lab. You also can see firstly human skeleton. Actually, our biology teacher can show all the internal parts of human skeleton to the students easily. When students can see and touch it, they can feel from their hearts. Because this is the first step of biology. You also can see our biology lab are covered with important chart paper. just like paramecium, plant kingdom, germination of seed, hydra, animal cell organelles, and also respiration system, digestive system, skeletal system, female reproductive system, amoeba, internal anatomy, means which can enrich the knowledge of our students. Students, when entered in the biology lab, first they move and see all the things. They also can see the different types of species. You can see also, because firstly they don't touch it, but they see. They see, and when they see, they create a question to the teacher. The teacher will explain that question easily. You also can see different types of species of animals in flocks. You also can see, because as we know, this apparatus can use to see anything very clearly, which doesn't see by our naked eyes. Which doesn't see by our naked eyes, students can see under the microscope very easily. They can make so many slits also, just like slides. They also show anything else on the slide under the microscope. Now you can see hand lines. It's hand lines plus regime, means all the things which can enrich the knowledge of students. You also can see it's our biology stock register. You can see index, biology lab. You can see it. It's stock register. How many quantity of reagent and other things we had, everything are mentioned in this register. You also can see biology practical book, which is composed by K.K. Pillai and Dr. Satish Kumar. It's biology practical book. Now you see, students can get all the benefits after entering in biology lab and increase their knowledge with the help of biology teacher. Whenever teacher gives any information from the classroom, just like theoretical person, they also can show that teachers in biology lab. Suppose teachers are elaborating about snake, about snail, about frog, about other species of animals, and students are trying to see when teachers carry them in biology lab and show all the things. Okay, now please let's come and see. Let's come and see. It's very cozy corridor. Students are getting fresh air also. But for their safety, we covered our both areas. No students can go outside. No one can see anything else outside from the classroom. You can see it's our next empathy room. It's our next another empathy room. Another empathy room. Now you also can see it's another empathy room. Now you see it's also another empathy room. Finally, I want to say I have a sufficient. Now it's our last empathy room. Finally, I would like to say that I have a sufficient empathy room to start our class. if we can get accreditation for school, definitely we have all the sufficient inputting room, we have all the labs of physics, chemistry, biology, music lab, maths lab, sports room, indoor sports room, huge playground, all the things we have as per CBSE norms. So I would like to say thanks to everyone. Please, thank you very much.